take your flat blade screwdriver, locate your slot there, pop the screwdriver into the slot, lever against the light, and it will pop out like that. Then just grab the light, grab your electrical connector with one hand, and just gently give the light a little wiggle. Taking your new light, these are not polarity sensitive, so you can put the two terminals in, doesn't matter which way around they go. Open your door, just check it lights up, sweet. To refit the light, if you look on this side, you've got a little tang, and this is your spring clip, so you want to fit this in to this light ridge here. Just pop your wiring up first, slot it in, and then just push till it clicks. Open your door and check that the logo is aligned. If the logo isn't aligned, the lights come with this little tool here, and it slots in to the hole there and there. It means you can rotate the light.